Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how not to be tagged on Facebook. So it's really simple. So what you want to do is go right top corner to the menu, and then you want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see settings and privacy here. Click settings, and when you're going to be here, you just want to scroll down below, and then you're going to see privacy and profile and tagging. So click on it, and right here you're going to see who can see posts you're tagged in your profile and who can post on your profile, who can see posts you're tagged in. Go with the only me. Now, when you're tagged in a post, do you want to add the audience of the post if they can already see it? Go only me. And now review tags people to add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook on. This is something you want to have on. So reviewing, I would go definitely with the on, because then you can, it's not going to appear. If someone is going to tag you, because tagging is possible, it won't show to your friends or anyone else, right? So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, see you.